Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the best Samsung refrigerator water filter, the DA29 00020B. If you're searching for a reliable and efficient way to keep your drinking water and ice fresh and clean, this filter is designed to meet your needs with top-notch performance and genuine Samsung quality. The DA29 00020B is a genuine Samsung water filter, engineered specifically for Samsung French door, side-by-side, and bespoke refrigerators. What sets this filter apart is its ultra-high-grade carbon block technology, which effectively reduces over 99% of potentially harmful contaminants including chlorine, dirt, rust, and sediment. This means you get fresh, great-tasting water that is free from unpleasant odors and tastes. Not only does this filter improve the quality of your drinking water and ice, but it also protects your refrigerator's internal components by reducing sediment buildup that could otherwise damage your appliance over time. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly, allowing you to replace the filter easily every 6 months for consistent performance. One unique feature of this Samsung filter is the authentication tag. This allows you to confirm that you are using a genuine Samsung product. Simply detach the tag from the filter and place it over the back of the included magnet. If green stripes appear, the filter is authentic. This gives you peace of mind that your refrigerator is protected from possible water damage and flooding risks that can come from incompatible or counterfeit filters. The filter's compact size fits neatly inside your refrigerator, measuring just under 9 inches in depth and just over 2 inches in width and height. Made from durable plastic and certified by WQA, NSF 42 for external testing, it meets stringent industry standards for filtration quality. Designed and manufactured by Kuno, a 3M company with over 90 years of filtration expertise. The DA29 00020B combines cutting-edge technology with premium materials to ensure longevity and dependable filtration. It works by passing water through multiple filtering layers with progressively smaller pores, capturing even-minute impurities while retaining beneficial minerals such as fluoride. Whether your household consumes a lot of water or you want to maintain optimal water quality for your family, replacing your filter every 6 months is recommended to sustain freshness and protect your fridge. In summary, the Samsung DA29 00020B is a top-of-the-line refrigerator water filter that delivers clean, clear, and fresh-tasting water while safeguarding your appliance. Its easy installation, genuine Samsung certification, and advanced carbon block filtration make it an excellent choice for any Samsung refrigerator owner seeking reliable and long-lasting water filtration. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more product insights. See you next time.